Squarespace courses, complete tutorial for beginners. Hello guys, Ilya here. In this video, I'm going to show you how can we use new feature announced from Squarespace, which is called Squarespace courses. We can easily find it on products folder with squarespace.com. As you can see, we have like courses area, and if we'll click on it, we'll come to our page where you can easily click on get started in the right top to start creating our own online courses with a Squarespace website. So they provide us the opportunity to use their platform as a platform to show our courses, to show our materials, to sell them, and then just simply give people access to these videos or maybe some other stuff. And in order to make it easier, we need to find the necessary type as for our website. So click on courses right up here, and after that we'll be able to find all courses templates. Of course, we can easily customize them a little bit later. For example, this template is about how to create bread, how to make bread, so how to bake bread. So let's click on preview, and I think that we will start with this template to show you an example of how to add materials, how to add videos, how to customize this template directly. It's totally responsive, so people can access this website from different devices, and I think it's pretty cool. Let's click on start with this design, and in a few seconds we'll create our own website with course information. So here we are. We need to set a title. Let it be like courses, like this, continue, next, and get started. So here we are, and in order to interact with the structure of our course, we need to open a website and then find the necessary area. And as you can see, there is like option called courses, and we can click on it. It's like demo and paywall, so people need to pay to get access to this area, and it's pretty cool, I think. Here we can find course overview. It's like information or something like this, and also we can find course content inside. There are two options of how can we make a structure. We can add chapters, or we can add lessons directly. If your course is divided into different groups like introduction, process, maybe end, or something like this, it will be pretty helpful for you to separate them into different chapters. So yeah, as you can see here, we have like introductions with 2 lessons and also the process. In my case, I'm going to delete all the structure by the previous course, so we'll create a new one, and we just simply need to delete it. After that, we can click on plus, and let's say that I want to add a new chapter. Let's click on add, and we need to add the name. So let it be like start, save, and after that we have this chapter here. Let's add one more, for example, middle, save, and now we have 2 chapters. And in order to add lessons, we just simply need to click on plus, and after that we can add all the necessary information. It should be like title, some excerpt, URL, thumbnail, and we need to upload our video. You need to know that the maximum duration is like 3 hours, so maybe you will have to split your video into 2 different lessons, for example part 1 and part 2. And also we can find a status here which says draft, save this lesson to edit and publish later. Published, publish this lesson now, and scheduled, set a date and time for your lesson to publish. And it depends on your aims. What would you like? How would you like to interact with your lesson? Maybe you need to add something a little bit later, so the best way is to edit as a draft and something like this. So when everything is done, our lesson could be saved, and it will be displayed like this area here, and we can also find it right up here. So as you can see, nothing hard, and in order to get access to these courses, people have to pay. So we can try to view pricing plans, and as you can see, we can monetize your course with a pricing plan. Create a pricing plan to replace your course behind a paywall. You can also use pricing plans to bundle this course with other digital products. We can click on create a pricing plan, and after that we'll be able to add some information. We can add a name, description, we can add benefits, for example, what will this customer get, then will he buy. After that, we can manage our pricing stuff. For example, we can use a fixed amount payment, like one-time payment with $15. We can split it up to like 12 payments. We can use it as a subscription, so people have to pay this price here. It repeats every, for example, 2 months, or maybe every 1 month, or maybe 1 week. So it could be really helpful. And you can also set a free price, allow access to pages and content for free, so everyone will be able to see your courses, to see your materials. I think sometimes it could be really helpful if you want to make it as a part of your funnel. So on the products area, we can include all the products like courses, or add some additional product. We can also sign up limits if it's necessary as for us. And after that, basically everything is ready to be created. We can click on create, then we'll fill all the information. And after that, we can easily start selling our courses right up here. But also, of course, we need to set up payments. So in order to do it, we need to go back, go to commerce, and here we can easily basically add a payment method right up here. So we can connect Stripe, PayPal, and Square. It's like, if it's necessary as for you. As for me, the best variant, of course, is to set up a Stripe account to use this payment system. And also from this commerce area, we can add different products, and we can add even course from this page. So we can click on course, a series of guided lessons that teach a skill or specific topic. So yeah, if you'll open it, we can find the templates we can use. There are 2 templates now, and I would like to use this one. And we'll also be redirected to the page with our courses, as you can see, where we can set up some additional stuff, course content, course overview, and pricing plans, as I already discovered. And what is more interesting is that we can also go to analytics to analyze our sales, to analyze traffic, geography, traffic sources, and so on. So if you want to know more about how to customize a website, for example, how to customize general things such as fonts, color palette, or animations, you can easily view all the lessons on my other tutorials, on my other videos. You can see the playlist right up now. And if you have any questions about courses, you can write them in the comments below. I'll try to answer for all of them. So hope this video helped you out, and now you know how to sell courses on Squarespace. So if it is, and if this video made your life a little bit easier, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel. I hope you all are doing great, and I wish you a very good day. Goodbye.